Here's how to fix YouTube stuttering or buffering. If your YouTube videos are stuttering and buffering, it can be frustrating and ruin your viewing experience. I'll show you several solutions, so watch the whole video to avoid missing important steps. First, you need to try clearing the browser cache. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and here select Settings. Then after go to Privacy and Security and select Delete Browsing Data. And select the cached images and files. Then after select Delete Data, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Once finished, return to your YouTube and refresh the page. And if the problem continues and you're using Chrome, check your extensions. They can sometimes cause issues. So click on the three dots in the top right corner, and here you select Extensions, which is between tab groups and delete browsing data. Select Manage Extensions, and here simply remove the extensions that you no longer use. And you can also try turning off your extensions one by one and then restart YouTube to see if that fixes the problem. If it's still not working, click on the three dots in the top right corner again. Then after go to Setting and find System, which is between Accessibility and Reset Settings. And then after turn off, use Graphics Acceleration when available. You'll need to relaunch Chrome for this change to take effect. And hopefully these steps will fix the stuttering and buffering issue on your YouTube. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.